Hi, this is Paul Bonner. This month at Conicelli Toyota Service Center, we're offering specials that make it easier to keep your vehicle in tip-top shape, no matter what the season is. First up, have your engine breathe a little easier with 10% off an engine air filter replacement. A clean air filter means a cleaner engine, because your health and your engine's health go hand in hand. It's also back to school season, and we're helping you save with our back to school spend and save coupon. Get up to $150 off same-day service, so you can take care of everything your car needs before the busy school year kicks into high gear. Oh, and don't miss out on our Toyota Service Care Special, starting at just $275. This package includes essential maintenance to keep your Toyota running like new, all in one fantastic price. Let us help you drive with confidence this fall. Call 888-289-5948 or simply visit us at conicelliservice.com to schedule your appointment today. Conicelli Toyota Service Center, a nice place to do business.